Bengaluru has seen a very, very sharp spike in cases. And as a result, the state government has introduced a 1-week lockdown in the city. But is this enough? Joining us, the Mayor of Bengaluru, Mr. Gautam Kumar. Thank you very much for joining us today on NDTV.
Yes, madam. Good evening, madam.
Good evening to you. Is 1 week enough? What do you think? Is 1 week lockdown enough, or should it be extended? What are your thoughts?
No, 1 week lockdown is to check, because all the 8 zones here in Bangalore, our Honorable CM has appointed all 8 ministers for respective zones to check, to analyze the ground reality and the what exactly we can do to the citizens of Bangalore. The meetings are being held. Every constituency, there have been control rooms, war rooms. Every constituency level there are been nodal officers been appointed, and every booth, as we say in an election, every booth 3 officials are been appointed with this 7 days of lockdown. Now already 3 days series of actions have been taken, and rapid antigen tests, around 20,000 kits, 215 vehicles where containment and seal down is done. We are planning to do random tests there, around 20,000 tests, and serious programs are on, madam, and people are supporting also. Monday our CM also will observe the lockdown, analyze the situation, and further take up a call whether one more lockdown is required or not.
The perception is that Bengaluru is in deep trouble, that there are not enough hospital beds, that patients are going from hospital to hospital, some of them even dying in the search of a hospital bed. Are there enough hospital beds and COVID care centres in Bengaluru?
No, madam. It is just a panic, madam. It is there. Yes, we are under the health emergency. I really accept that. But very rare cases, madam. There are many recovery cases which we are not seeing also. But yes, the senior citizens, they are suffering a lot. But hospital beds, we are managing it. Now, private hotels are also taken under COVID care centers, where asymptomatic patients are kept there and monitored. And every hotel has got a doctor, ventilator. Good provisions are being taken care, madam. With these 3 days of lockdown, we are taking up more and more steps, madam.
If there are enough hospital beds, why are we hearing these stories of people actually struggling to find a hospital bed? Why is this happening? Is it lack of coordination?
No, hospitals are there, madam. Not complete hospitals are under COVID care, because there are other patients also. Other patients are also taken under consideration with the hospitals. So we need to see those patients also. There are delivery cases, there are heart related cases. Many of the cases, not completely hospital is converted into COVID center, madam.
Are there enough hospital beds for COVID patients?
Yeah, as of now, we have developed a huge center at exhibition center at Tumkur Road, where 10,000 beds have been kept for COVID care center. Many of the centers have been done. Now beds are available, ventilators are available, madam. Very rare cases we are unable to reach either it is the patient is unable to reach us, or we are unable to reach them little on time. That is the panic thing which is happening in the Bangalore. That's it.
So the stories of patients not being able to find a hospital bed, you're saying that's an exception?
No, maximum we are able to shift them to the hospitals, madam. That is not a issue. But very rare cases, I do accept very rare cases where patient gets panicked, where they don't get the contact number, where they don't get the right time, right facility. They don't reach to the hospital is the panicness what people are facing here. We have been giving them the nodal officer's number. There are private hospitals where they are taking patients also. Now, beds are insufficient. Some cases, yes, I do accept some cases, people are getting panicked and they are getting feared of this COVID-19 also. With that fear also, their panicness also, we are seeing some people are falling ill, falling to death. But yes, we are trying our best and hospitals are there, madam.
Well, what about hospitals having to shut down because of lack of staff? The difficulty in finding doctors and nurses?
No, madam. Maximum major hospitals are all operating with the patients, madam. You name any of the hospitals, Apollo is there, Manipal is there, Mahavir Jain Hospital is there, Sparsh is there. All the hospitals are operating for the COVID care center, madam.
Also, very sad news of this young 28-year-old Paurakarmika Shilpa actually dying because of COVID-19. The workers have been protesting, saying they are not given adequate PPEs, that they're not given proper facilities, insurance.
They are the warriors, actually, what we say. But it is very sad to hear that the death of P. Shilpa, the wife of O. Prasad, we called the parents and we have issued a check of 10 lakhs also as a compensation, as she was working with the corporation as the Paurakarmika, which I am displaying it to you. Today we gave them 10 lakhs check, and the other 4 deceased, their family members will get the check very shortly. As promised by the commissioner and me today, we met all the leaders of the Paurakarmiks, and it is very sad also, but yes, this has happened. I do accept also, madam.